Hey guys, today I've got a review of the ITNAST Backseat dog extender. We're gonna unbox it here, and then also we're gonna install it and have my dog get in and see how good it works in a sedan car like what I have right here. So this is a hard body one, so it should work pretty good at containing the dog to the back seat. Has a nice carrying case right here. And then let's see what exactly we are working with. Have a nice set of instructions here. This gives a good kind of layout of what you're expecting. So these are going to go around the headrest to secure it. There's also going to be some things to push between the seats to kind of lock it in place, but that is what it's looking like. So let's continue to unfold this, and then if it's all one chunk, we probably just need to put it inside the back seat first. Okay guys, let's go ahead and put this thing in here and see what we're looking at. So this will go up here, and this is what we're going to be clipping around our headrests to lock it in. So you have to do that on both sides, obviously. And then you'll do the same thing on this side. And then this is nice because it has a little see-through area where your dog can look into the front seat. So that's nice. So let me come into that other side and we'll go ahead and hook that up. All right, we're on the other side now. Secure these. And then my back seat is probably about as small as you could go on this, but still it's gonna offer great protection on my seats. So I need to read the instructions and see how we secure up these corners right here to basically build a wall. It does come with extra straps here, and to hold up these end walls, you're gonna strap that and then go up and over this little clothes hanger and then basically slap that into right here. Now these are adjustable, so right now this is off the ground, so I need to let out more line here. Okay, there we go. And then this also has a zip. So now you can also zip on this side, and you have a full basically enclosure for the dog, and it can still look out the window just fine. And then, so there's that. These also are adjustable. So I'm gonna make this so this is perfect tightness. There we go, that's a little more tight, and the same back here. This also does come with a seat belt that you can click in, and there is a Velcro opening right here, so you can seal that up as best as you can. And then you have an adjustable dog leash right here to basically keep them secured somewhat within the back seat, and this is adjustable as close and far as you want them to go. So it has just about every feature you would want. It's got nice leather accents, black color. So one last thing guys, you want to push these pipes in between the seats there, and that is just going to lock it down like that. So with that, Winnie, that is our 65-pound golden retriever, and as you can see, she fits in there just fine. So pretty nice guys, definitely check this one out. This is about as small as car as you could fit it in. This is a Ford Fusion, just for reference, and I'm pretty tall guy, so my seat is pretty far back, so check it out.